miles an hour.
John, this is John Special.
I used to.
John Special.
Because I got quite colourful.
Boeing Stearman Model 75, a cadet who was known in US military service. And this is an aircraft that trained thousands of American and Allied pilots before and during World War II. Indeed, it was a mainstay of the so-called Arnold scheme, whereby British and Commonwealth pilots went out to the United States in order to escape the dangers that were inherent in training in the United Kingdom. But these Stearmans were somewhat uprated for display work. They've got 450 horsepower from their Pratt & Whitney engines, giving a really good performance for this wing-walking display, which comes to us from an airfield very close by, former Royal Flying Corps airfield at Renton, near Siren Centre, where these aircraft are operated by Vic Norman's Aerobatic company. For nearly 30 years now, Aerobatic has, with its wing-walking displays, rekindled something of the spirit of flying in the interwar years. A barnstorming display, one might call it. That's a term that derives from the days between the wars, when pilots who had experienced the excitement of flying in the First World War started off seeking new adventures in the world of aviation. And with various war surplus aircraft, they started flying from town to town across the United States, sleeping in barns overnight, hence the term barnstorming, and during the day giving a series of increasingly spectacular displays. And one of the types of display that resulted was wing walking. The pilots would get their girlfriends and engineers to climb up on the top wing. They'd take off and literally walk along the wing. Well, they dictate that safety is much more of a consideration than it was then. The girls we see on the wings of the three Stearmans here are secured very tightly with rigs on the top wings, but they are swivelling rigs, and so they get to perform some extraordinary contortions in the air.
He said he could stop any time.
Here they are in a stacked formation, around 90 miles an hour or so, certainly no more, as they run in towards us. And I think we see the swivelling rigs in action here with the girls upside down on the wings. Absolutely right, because physical fitness is a big part of the preparation that the girls go through to perform these displays. On the three aircraft today, we've got Emily Gilding, Florence Rolleston-Smith, and Nikita Salmon. Third year as a Breitling Wingwalker, but it's her first season as a lead Wingwalker. Her younger sister Stella signed up for the team first. Emily thought she'd like to go at it herself and joined up. And they really come from a very varied mix of backgrounds, the three girls on the wings. Emily is a geography graduate and she works for an environmental consultancy. Florence Rolleston-Smith, the newest member of the team, having just joined in April of this year, meanwhile, saw the team display at the Red Bull Air Race at Ascot last year. She was immediately hooked, and she is a dancer who's very keen on fitness and adventure. Nikita, meanwhile, studied psychology and sociology at Cardiff University. She comes from Gloucestershire, and when she moved back here after her studies,
So, like, the first one I'll give you is
she saw a vacancy for a new wing walker, and once again was extremely tempted. She joined the team in 2013. This is their final pass, and we now see the girls have descended from the rig and are sitting on the front of the top wing. Do give them a wave as they pass by.
No one escapes.
By the wind up there, it's really not an easy occupation at times, especially in conditions less clement than we have today. As for the pilots, the formation being led today by Dave Barrell, who's been flying Stearman of one sort or another for many years, Martin Carrington, the director of flying for the Wingwalkers, as number 2, and the third guy today was Steve